see how under.
I do too.
I have Tennessee too, but I know we have them here.
Is that like actual size?
No, they get like 6, 7 feet.
Really?
Yeah, they get big.
Oh.
Maybe not that big. Maybe like 5. Out for snakes and the elusive hellbender, because I have never actually seen one in person, and apparently they live here. And it turns out when you wear the proper footwear, it's not too bad hiking around. If you've seen my Hawaii video, you know what I'm talking about. We got a Heath making our way downtown.
There's no geese here, that's what it's like.
I'm gonna feel the water just to see what it's like. I'm not gonna get in. what this is.
If you had a bike, I would want one of those like cart things so I could sit in the back seat.
You mean like a wagon?
Yeah, I would want to be in that.
You just want me to do all the work and pedal.
I'll be real good at encouragement. I'm proud of you.
But then I assume
This is what I get to deal with some days, guys.
Am I wrong? Am I wrong for wanting to be in the back? Like, it's not like I'm gonna sit back there with like nachos and a beer and like, I don't know, a hockey game on my phone.
I was like, are we gonna switch like off and on? Like,
Oh no, I'm not allowed to drive.
Yeah, she's had some things about driving.
It's not like I'm like it's illegal or anything. I'm legally permitted to drive.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything
No,
bad.
no, she's
I don't wanna.
she's also threatened to drive off a mountain.
Yeah, because the roads were tight.
We do have some swimmers today.
Can I please yell why? No, I'm serious. I want to yell why.
I mean,
Why?
I don't
It's
care.
55 degrees.
I don't-
There's a train somewhere. Oh, he's coming up this way.
Yeah, he's right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
man, I know I'm waiting.
Here comes a train for all you train people. We know you're out. We know you're out there.
I
I don't mean that in a bad way. Trains are cool.
Yeah, I think it's carrying coal.
They like coal here.
There's the geese. I found them.
Yeah, they're not up here terrorizing you for once.
Yeah, they like to do that. They just know.
If it was warmer, I'd be down there with them.
Don't!
What if they just want friends?
Email.
Email?
Email.
Like, do I send it to like goose at like AOL.com?
Yeah.
Wow, AOL.com, that is a reference. But we should probably tell everybody that this is, I don't know, what do you say, an hour and a half from Pittsburgh?
Maybe, probably. Hour and a half. 45 miles, maybe.
And it's free.
And there's trains.
And this train's making a lot of noise that may or may not stay in the video.
Sometimes when Chris and I go on adventures, he likes to go off a little bit on his own and explore a little bit further. Sometimes like it might be too high or just a little bit too difficult for me, so I'll stay back and I'll just enjoy nature. He is currently over in that area where he is looking for either a snake or a hellbender. Hopefully he'll find one. But while I was waiting, I decided, why don't I look up a little bit of information about Ohiopyle? And I learned that Ohiopyle means white frothy water, and it is by the indigenous people called the Lenape tribe. I thought that was really, really interesting. I'm like, why don't I share that with you guys?
I'm determined to find a snake. So here's hoping. Well, there's a chipmunk over there somewhere, so that's wildlife. Ow. That just takes you back to the road. Disappointment. I'm real hoping. I'm really hoping I get something today. I'm gonna go straight for a little bit, then come back and see where the right path leads me to. Oh. I didn't fall. I get to climb on things now. This looks like it might have been a beaver dam at one point. Yeah, it turns out hiking in actual hiking boots is a lot easier than flip-flops. I mean, that's probably common sense, but it also is me. Alright, I'm going to take the path off to the right that I was talking about earlier to continue down the Ferncliff Trail. See where it goes for a little bit. Don't know if you can see him, but there's a squirrel over there. I'm gonna leave him be. Until today. I've been here a few times. It's a very peaceful trail. You're just surrounded by all these fern trees. There's nobody on the trail today except for me so far. I mean, it also is October and probably 50 some degrees. But it's a peaceful little trail. Doesn't look like it's too steep. No wildlife yet, other than the squirrel. Oh, and a chipmunk. Sounds like there's a creek or something in back here too. See if I can find it. Just walked through a spider web, so I'm counting that as wildlife. Oh, we got something fun here, it looks like. Oh, wow. You'll see what I'm oh-wowing about here in a minute. Oh, and if you are hiking on this trail, the Ferncliff Trail, just follow the green hiking signs that are postmarked pretty much on trees and these posts throughout the pass. But this is what I was wowing about from the top of the cliff I was on. Any other day I'd go down there and do that, but it's been raining and it doesn't look very 30 right now, so I'm not gonna kill myself. There you go. Oh, but I am gonna go to that rock. I'll be right back. And I'm back. I'm gonna attempt to get up on this, and you're gonna go along for the ride. Don't mind the grunting. Okay, that wasn't terrible. We're still going up and up. Whew, a little steep. And now we're gonna head back and do one other thing. Time to climb stuff. Filming it, or if you can even hear me, but great way to spend the prelude to my 40th birthday. But yeah, Ohiopyle State Park. No, yeah, it's Ohiopyle. Editor, sorry, but Ohiopyle. Peace out, guys. Don't laugh if I fall. Also, probably should have brought water, but it's not too bad. I'm almost back, and I didn't break anything. And another spider web. So that goes to the wildlife total.